Stand for the national anthem, everyone.
Yes,
And switch on your cameras.
okay,
Unmute
ma'am.
yourself. Please do not say okay now. Do not say okay. When I'll start, you just have to start singing. Shruti ma'am, please take the pictures.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll share my screen so that there is a rhythm over here. Fine, just give me a 1 minute. There should be no noise, yes.
कहीं वो सब नहीं दिख रहा है ना, वो इधर ही खड़े हो।
All right. I guess everyone is ready. Fine. Straight. Position Tavishi. Stand straight. Arms should be folded like this. And legs in the V shape. You all remember the pose for standing? All right. Stop the it's okay. Leave
Yes,
the
ma'am.
cameras. All right. 1, 2, 3, start.
भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंह विंध्य हिमाचल गंगा उत्कल तव शुभ नामे आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जय
I could only see Shaurya Batra reciting. Why not others? All right. Now, all right. Next, what we are going to do, you all can sit now. You can all sit and let's start with the program. See, every day in school, when we are in school, what happens? There is a speech, an anchor. Today's anchor is me and Shruti ma'am, obviously. Please mute yourself, everyone, now. What we are going to do next is we are going to watch some videos that are done by class 3 to 8. Okay, we'll watch some videos like the program. There is a program that happens in the class also now, in the school also, when we all sit together in the assembly, in your in the garden, in the playground, and then a number of things are happening. So since it is a lockdown of Ma and we cannot come to the school because of COVID, we are going to watch some videos. Fine. First, there is a mask anthem. Why mask is important by class 5. Let's watch that first. Okay. I don't know whether I have shared the sound or not. Yes. Okay. I hope the screen is visible to everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti ma'am and I will ask the questions in between. So what was there in the videos? You have to listen and see it very carefully.
चलो मिलकर एक शुरुआत करें, चलो एक फैसला आज करें, मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे, मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे, चलो एक इरादा करते हैं, चलो कुछ वादा करते हैं, चलो मिलकर साथ संभलते हैं, नई सच्चाई में ढलते हैं, सावन को अपनाएंगे, धोएंगे हाथ और धुलाएंगे, बस खड़े खड़े ना देखेंगे, मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे, ये सच है नहीं चुनौती है, मिलकर हमको लड़ना होगा, जीवन की है परवाह अगर, तो कुछ बातों पर अड़ना होगा, 6 फीट दूरी अपनाएंगे, नई रीतियाँ सिखलाएंगे, सबके बारे में सोचेंगे, मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे, मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे।
So, what did you understand by this video? Please raise your hands. You know how we answer. Yes, Vanchika.
Ma'am, in this video, all the students are telling us about we should always wear mask, and if we do not wear mask, so they will interrupt or they
Very
will
good.
say to us.
They will, they will point out. You will be the odd one out. Very good. Tavishi, what else?
Ma'am, they also told about how to beat COVID-19 and two of the medicines was of vitamins and zinc. And there was a
Very
song that please wash your hands and please wear your mask, no gatherings.
Excellent. So these are some more ways to protect ourselves and others from coronavirus. Let's see a movie, another video from class 3 now. Fine.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Agni Thapa of 3rd A. We all are here to celebrate Republic Day. Our country is well known for its defense forces, that is world 4th largest and powerful military. But do you know about the different styles of salute by the forces? No. So here we are to help you with this small play.
Good morning, kids. Wake up. It's already late, baby. Wake up.
But today we don't have any online classes.
But there is something special today.
Good morning, Mom. We should wake up because it's Republic Day today. Oh, yes. We will watch the Republic Day parade on TV. Yes, it will be fun. Our Indian Army will be marching and everyone will salute. Do you know the Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy does different salute? Really? Tell me more about it.
I'll tell you more about it. Indian Army. Open palm facing the person in front. Navy. Open palm facing ground at 90-degree angle to the forehead. Air Force. Open palm at a 45-degree angle to the ground.
This is how our Air Force salute. The motto of Indian Air Force is touch the sky with glory.
This is how our Indian Army salute.
This is how our Indian Navy salute. our Constitution. The Republic Day is celebrated to honor the date on which our Constitution came in effect, that is 26th January 1950. My friends tell me that I have made the Constitution, but I am quite prepared to say that I shall be the first person to burn it out. I do not want it. It does not suit anybody, said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the Rajya Sabha on 2nd September 1953. The Constitution wasn't typed or printed. The Constitution written in a flowing italic style. The Constitution written by Prem Bihari Narayan Raiza.
On 2nd September 1953, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar says in Rajya Sabha, people was ready to burn it. It is failed to protect minorities. People are ignore the minorities by saying, oh no, it will be the greatest harm to the democracy.
Our constitution is the longest constitution in the world with 448 articles and 12 schedules.
So, class 3 has given you a lot of knowledge. Can anyone tell me any 2 or 3 points? Shifa?
Ma'am, they have tell us about the constitution of
Switch
our
on your
India.
cameras. Please switch on your
Ma'am,
cameras if you want to answer. Yes.
Ma'am, they have tell us about the constitution of India.
What? Yes, they have told us about Constitution of India. Very good. You just told the heading. About what? What is the Constitution of India?
And that when the constitution has been written in the constitution book.
Okay, yes, Lavina. Lavina was a part of the script. Lavina has shifted to class 3.
Ma'am, I was seeing that only.
I was also seeing that only. Yes, Lavina. Lavina, unmute your Sanji and Lavina. Shifted to class 3. Acha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Shifted to class 3.
No, ma'am.
Then you are in the script of class 3 but not in class 6. So we have a small kid here. Okay, yes, Lavina, what your mother has told about Republic Day, please share with the class again.
Ma'am, she told us that the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force does different salute.
Yes, there are different salutes that are done by our 3 main armed forces. That is Army, Navy, and Air Force. Absolutely correct. Let's see a dance performance now by class 4th. Okay, just a minute. Okay, this is a performance by class 4th.
रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला
की टोली, रंग हंसी में रंग खुशी में, रिश्ते कैसे भूली, यादों में रंग 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 रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला.
Could you see the confidence of class 4? Could you see how confident the two girls were? So, who is going to come forward? Yeah, her moves are very nice. So, who is going to come forward and show me their moves? Any 2, 3 moves? I know my sixth has more, powerful and great moves. Come on, sixth. Who is going to show the moves? हम शर्मा रहे हैं. Why? Why? Come on, we have just Shruti ma'am and I and all your friends of sixth. We all do fun in the class, in the school, so why not here? Come forward. Who is come? Yes, in front of all. If you have you seen them? That little girl of class fourth was performing in front of you. So why can't you perform in front of everyone? Priyanji. So who is going to show their moves? Yes, Vanchika. Very good. Vanchika, unmute yourself and come. Shifa is saying, ma'am, school में we can do it, but not in online class. Very good. Yes, Vanchika, you can show your dance steps. Any 2, 3
Yes.
steps?
Ma'am, I only can do one.
Okay, do one. That's okay. Very good. Everyone clap for Vanchika first of all. See, she has so confidence. Arey, just wait, Vanchika. Just wait, Vanchika. Vanchika, do it again, but I could not see it. Everyone started clapping.
Okay, ma'am.
That's very good. Everyone, a loud round of applause for Vanchika. Show your hands and clapping. Very good, Vanchika. Anyone else? Great. Arpita, you are already sitting at home and you want more holidays. Anyone else? Navya? Navya, unmute yourself. Oh, sorry, I have muted. Unmute yourself again. Unmute yourself. Navya, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I am saying on Republic Day that I am not dancing. I can't dance.
Why can't you dance? I know you girls from class 3. You're not new to me. You all can
Ma'am,
dance.
I can
Not
dance
even
on.
girls. I know about the boys also.
Ma'am,
Abhijit,
you.
Chauryabatra, Nitanshu, Karthik, Lakshay sings, although Pranjal. Should I take more names?
Ma'am, I can do dance on school, not at online classes.
Why you
शर्म
are
आती है
sitting
मैम
at
तो
your
किस.
home? You're already sitting at your home and you still can't dance. This is not school, Pranjal. Then what is this, Pranjal? This is the part of your school only. This is the new school. We have been attending classes from almost 1 year now, and you are saying this is not a school. Very good, class 6. Chalo. Let's move forward and see
Ma'am, can
a
I
role
say
play.
on
Please,
Republic Day?
Navya, just wait. Let's see a video by class 5, a role play.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar from 19th century. I was born on 14th April 1891. I was also known as the architect of the Indian Constitution. It was 2 years, 2 months and 18 days long. I was also selected as the chairman of the
No, no,
drafting
no, no,
committee
no,
on.
sorry. This is not class 5. Just wait, let me open class 5 first. Okay.
Good morning to my respected principal ma'am, to my honorable teachers and my dear friends. I, Achika, class 5th, we welcome you all on this prestigious occasion of Republic Day. Today we are celebrating our nation's 72nd Republic Day. We all are proud to be Indian. As we know, India is known as the land of culture diversities. People speak different languages, wear different kinds of clothes, follow different religions and celebrate different festivals. You will be amazed to know that there are over hundreds of languages spoken in India. Let's have a look on different states of our country. For showcasing different cultures of different states, I am welcoming student of class 5. Let's welcome Punjab with a huge round of applause.
Namaskar. Myself Punjab. My capital is Chandigarh, a union territory. My holiest Gurudwara is known as Golden Temple. The traditional dress for man is kurta pajama with turban and women wear lehenga kurta among Patiali suits. Bhangra and Gidda are my folk dance. My national food is makke di roti and lassi. Nanak Ram Chaddi Kalam Tere Vane Zabda Bala. Sat Sri Akal.
Welcome Gujarat.
सुप्रभात। मैं गुजरात हूँ। मैं भारत में स्थित हूँ। यहाँ का कैपिटल गांधीनगर है। यहाँ पर गुजराती भाषा बोली जाती है। यहाँ पर कुर्ता पजामा पहनते हैं। इस जगह पर हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी जी का जन्म हुआ था। इस जगह का सबसे मशहूर खाना ढोकला, कचौड़ी, दाल वड़ा होता है। यहाँ का सबसे मशहूर डांस गरबा होता है। यहाँ पर ज्यादातर नवरात्र बनाए जाते हैं।
Now it's time to visit Maharashtra.
अगर भाई मैं महाराष्ट्र में भारत देश का तीसरा सबसे बड़ा राज्य हूँ। मेरी राजधानी मुंबई है, जो कि एक भारतीय फिल्मों और मनोरंजन का एकाएक साधन है। यहाँ हम गणेश उत्सव बड़े हर्ष और उत्साह के साथ मनाते हैं।
Welcome West Bengal in front of you all.
Suprabhat, you know very well, I am West Bengal. Kolkata is my capital. I am the 6th largest contributor of India's GDP. Both West Bengal and Bangladesh are the historical and geographic region of Bengal. I like to wear white sari with red border. I am famous for my terracotta temples of Vishnupur. My famous food are Luchi Aludam, Kathi roll, Kimar doi bara, Jhalpuri and Rasagullas. My main language is Bengali and Hindi, Santhali and Urdu are other languages.
सारे जहां से अच्छा ये हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके ये गुलसिता हमारा. Despite this all the differences, the people of our country remain united and live together in peace and harmony. With this note, I want to wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
See, could you see the confidence again? How confidently were they performing, right? Now, next video is from class 6th. Now we have a video from class 6 and that is something different. This is not dance and this is not even script. They're throwing a challenge. Let's see them.
Hello everyone, my name is Paranita and today I am here to present you all a video that is made up by class 6. All know that Republic Day is coming, so we have prepared this little video for you guys to watch, and the topic of the video is yoga. So as you all know, a system of training of the body of the mind. The word yoga means union in the Sanskrit language of India. People who follow the religion of Hinduism practice yoga to feel united with a higher power. This take this through posture or body position, breathing and meditation, mental exercises. And now you may proceed to watch the video. Thank you.
See, this was class 6 performing a great yoga postures. Fine, we have seen Dr. Ambedkar, a script by class 8. Class 7 has done a dance. Let's quickly watch their dance. Just in a minute, I'll close this. Alright, so these were some of the performances done by class 3 to 8 that we have seen. Every class has performed something or the other. Anyone wants to share anything about Republic Day since we are running out of the time? Anyone? Yes, Priyanshi? All right. I know everyone has to say a lot. Let's just wish a very happy Republic Day to everyone from Prince Public School and your teachers. And I hope you enjoy your day today. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the photographs, recordings on Atlantic. Fine. And we can give a round of applause for everyone for participating right now and those who have done the video. Can we give the round of applause to everyone? You can unmute yourself and just give me the clappings. Especially class 6 that have cooperated. Right, Abhijit?
Yes, ma'am. Got
All right. See you tomorrow and wherever your classes are. Bye, everyone. Have a great day. And do not forget to wear the mask if you are moving out.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day. Have a good day.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Happy
Bye,
ma'am.
everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
A
Happy
very happy
Republic
Republic
Day,
Day, ma'am.
everyone.
Bye,
Happy
ma'am.
Republic Day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.